Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Dogelon Mars in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.24% in certainly most recent 60-minute, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. ELON explicitly has an all-out market cap of $108,339,130 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,423,468 in an unpretentious manner. This truly makes Dogelon Mars in every practical sense, positioning at 191 in the digital money market, which truly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars be worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Is Dogelon Mars in every practical sense, wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will ELON cost especially outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high incredibly? These essentially are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ELON cost truly is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $0. The normal, certainly least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to fundamentally be $0, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, ELON can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value level of $0 a huge manner. ELON value estimate June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a very least value worth of $0 a for the most part significant manner. The ELON cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the especially normal cost around $0 a for the most part significant manner. Dogelon Mars value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0 a by and large least of $0, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars value gauge August 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for August 2023 may really arrive at a by and large least worth of $0. The fundamentally most extreme determined cost essentially is around $0, which essentially shows that Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ELON cost is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every practical sense be $0 in unpretentious way. The very normal cost for ELON sort of is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach $0 August 2023 in an all things considered significant way. Dogelon Mars value expectation September 2023. Dogelon Mars cost certainly is supposed to especially reach between $0 September 2023, while the really normal cost of ELON for the September explicitly remains around $0. Mars value estimate October 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for October 2023 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $0. The especially greatest gauge cost basically is around $0, which generally is very huge. The especially normal cost for ELON in a real sense is certainly anticipated to sort of reach $0 October 2023, which sort of is very critical. Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars for the most part is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a really least of $0, exhibiting that will ELON cost fundamentally outperform its untouched certainly high and in every practical sense huge way. Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is basically anticipated to by and large arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a really limit of $0, a fundamentally least of $0, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ELON value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is determined to really be at around a base worth of $0, showing that the typical cost for ELON certainly is truly anticipated to fundamentally reach $0 October 2023. The Dogelon Mars value worth can explicitly arrive at a very limit of $0 in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0 USD amazingly. Dogelon Mars especially passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been especially diminished by 0.93% in its most certainly current worth. Sort of additional appearance how these in every way that really matters are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON. future in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we especially look at the especially current market cap of the ELON with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which certainly demonstrates the way that Dogelon Mars cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is generally anticipated to for the most part arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0, a kind of least of $0, which truly is very huge. Dogelon Mars fundamentally is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, showing that elon value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is gauged to basically be at around a really least worth of $0, exhibiting that the exceptionally normal cost for ELON truly is essentially anticipated to in a real sense reach $0 October 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The ELON generally is down to nearly 4.93% in the absolute most recent 7 days. So besides ELON can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of past in every practical sense. Scarcely any days, the coin could explicitly have areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in extremely present moment, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will explicitly be Dogelon Mars really worth in 2023, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking? The ELON cost in a real sense is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0, the finish of 2023. Kind of additional appearance how the truly normal cost for ELON especially is truly anticipated to really reach $0 August 2023, or so they sort of thought. Does Dogelon Mars generally have a future, which essentially is very critical? As far as value, Dogelon Mars truly has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting how the coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty past especially couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource and most certainly transient in a kind of significant manner. It in every practical sense is gauged that ELON will increment in esteem in a very large way, as per kind of unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Dogelon Mars can truly raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0 2030, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars value conjecture August 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for August 2023 may sort of arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0. The fundamentally greatest estimated cost in every practical sense is around $0, which for the most part shows that Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ELON cost in every way that really matters is supposed to essentially cross a truly normal value level of $0. The normal certainly least value worth of Dogelon